Hi guys, welcome to this episode of I Wanna Eat. Today we're going to be making a delicious and spicy jalapeno hot sauce. To make our hot sauce today, we have about a pound of jalapeno peppers, maybe 20 pieces, a red onion, and a few cloves of garlic. We'll start by halving and then trimming the ends off of our red onion. We're going to be using only half of the onion for this recipe. Then give it a quick peel. And then we're going to mince it. Then we'll crush our garlic cloves and peel the skin. And we'll give these a quick slice as well. Now we'll prep our jalapenos. We're going to just trim off the top of the pepper and then slice it in half. Then we'll just take a spoon and scoop out the seeds along with the white part inside of the pepper. The spicy part of the peppers are the seeds, so we can control how hot our sauce ends up by adjusting how many of the peppers we take the seeds from. I want the sauce to have a kick but not set my mouth on fire, so I'll be taking the seeds out of around half of the peppers. We'll leave the seeds in the remaining few peppers, so we just need to remove the caps like before and give them a quick chop. If you like a very spicy hot sauce, you can leave the seeds in all of the peppers and just chop them all like this. Now we have a big bowl of chopped jalapenos, so we're just going to grab a pan and then turn the heat up to high. Then add a splash of oil into the pan. Then add the chopped jalapenos, onion, and garlic all at once. Keep stirring the peppers and onions, sauteing them for about 5 minutes until you start to see some browning on the edges. You may want to consider wearing goggles while doing this because the steam from the peppers does have the heat in it and it can get into your eyes. Now we start to see the jalapenos browning a little bit. So we want to add about a tablespoon of salt all around. And then add 2 cups of water. We want this to sit on a low boil for about 20 minutes until most of the liquid is gone. And make sure to stir occasionally so everything is cooked evenly. You'll see the peppers start to soften and the color start to dull a little bit. They'll also be quite soft, and that means they're ready. So we'll set the pan aside for now to let the jalapenos cool down until they reach about room temperature. Now let's just spoon the cooked peppers into our blender here, along with about half of a cup of distilled white vinegar. Now turn the blender on and let it keep running until the sauce becomes a nice smooth consistency. Now that the sauce is nice and smooth, let's pour it into a clean, sterile container and store it in the fridge. It should keep this way for about 6 months. And there you have it, your very own homemade jalapeno hot sauce. This sauce is perfect for adding some heat to your favorite dishes like tacos, burritos, or stir fries. It also makes a great gift for any hot sauce lovers you might know. The recipe is also extremely customizable, so feel free to adjust to your taste. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of I Wanna Eat. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below of any recipes you'd like to see. We're a new YouTube channel and it really helps us out. Thank you everyone. Bye.